The Naga People's Front (NPF), the oldest regional political party in northeast India, is currently facing a challenging phase but is expected to return to power in Nagaland, according to party president Apong Ponganer. Speaking at the 62nd foundation day of the party, Ponganer highlighted that the NPF has been synonymous with Naga identity for over 6 decades. Ponganer acknowledged the difficulties the party is facing and reminded party workers that they have overcome worse situations in the past. He urged members to make concerted efforts to ensure the party's survival, cautioning against a negative mindset and internal criticism. Instead, he called for a reinvention of ideas to rejuvenate the party and reclaim its former glory. Despite the current dip in popularity, Ponganer expressed confidence in the party's resilience, noting that every entity experiences periods of recession and recovery. He emphasized the need for unity and dedication among party members to work towards a better future. NPF legislators Kuzholuzo Ninu and Achumbeno Kikon also encouraged party workers to persevere in their efforts to restore the party's prominence. Kikon, the party's Secretary-General, reiterated the NPF's commitment to finding an honorable and inclusive solution to the Naga political issue, asserting that the party has consistently responded to the aspirations of the Naga people. Kikon affirmed the strength of the NPF, expressing confidence in its ability to return to power and protect the identity and rights of the Naga people. Despite multiple changes in nomenclature, the party has retained its symbol, the cock, and its motto, Fide non armis, by faith, not arms. The NPF has governed Nagaland several times, with its most recent tenure from 2003 to 2013. Currently, the party holds 2 seats in the Nagaland Assembly and 5 seats in Manipur.